Hello everyone, and this is the tutorial for downloading the Zoom app. Alright, so first things first, let me just show you. There's only 3 steps for you to download. So very simple and very easy. So the first thing you will be doing is selecting the browser. And once you are in the browser, you need to go to the URL. This is that section on the top, and then type in zoom.us/download. It's in the description. I will be setting this link in the description as well. Just press enter, wait for a few more seconds, and here just click this and download. Once you have downloaded and installed it, you will see the Zoom app here. When you click that, you will be having these options. Now, if you want to join a meeting or if you want to join any training, you just need to press this button and then you need to enter the code here which we provide you. If you click this, you will be joining in the video by turning off your web camera. If you check this, you will be joining video or you will be joining the meeting without your audio. So that's all, folks. You can just select this and join in through your PC. Now, if you're looking forward for downloading this in your iPhone or your Android phone, we have different video for that. You may check it out in the description. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.